Most people think attachment unavailable in Facebook Messenger is permanent, but here's the surprising truth. It's usually fixable in just a few steps. Today, they'll show you exactly how to solve this issue. This error occurs when Messenger can't access a photo, video, or file you're trying to view. Common reasons include deleted content, privacy restrictions, or a broken link. Most people get this wrong by immediately blaming Messenger or their device. In reality, it often relates to the original post's privacy settings. If the sender deletes the content, or it's shared in a private group you no longer have access to, you will see attachment unavailable. You won't believe what happens next. Many times, simply updating the app or refreshing the conversation fixes the problem. Start by closing Messenger completely, reopening it, and checking if the attachment loads. If that doesn't work, check for updates. On iOS or Android, go to the App Store or Google Play and ensure Messenger is the latest version. Updated apps sometimes fail to retrieve content. Another fix is clearing cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Messenger Storage Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to achieve the same effect. The surprising truth is that network issues can also cause this error. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa, often loads the attachment correctly. Finally, consider the original content. If it's deleted, expired, or shared from a private account you can't access, there's no workaround. Messenger can't restore it. So the key steps are: refresh the app, update Messenger, clear cache or reinstall, check your network, and confirm the content is still available. If this guide helped you fix attachment unavailable, subscribe for more easy tech troubleshooting tips before frustration sets in.